Introducing the ICON ScrewJoist deck substructure system from FastenMaster, the revolutionary new way to build your next deck. The secret to ICON are these wood and steel hybrid joists. Because the joists are precisely manufactured, there's no more depth variability, and the steel webbing gives them greater strength with far less weight. Installing ICON couldn't be easier. Just place the joist, then use approved FastenMaster wood screws to attach the joist to the ledger and the beam. The joists straddle the ledger board, leaving them perfectly level without the need for joist hangers, and the open webbing of the joists allow for full-length blocking to be easily slid in and installed. The front and side rim boards can also be easily inserted into the ICON screw joist for mounting of fascia, guard posts, and stairs. ICON screw joists can be installed in a fraction of the time because the joists are brought to the job site pre-assembled and ready to go. Just place, align, and fasten.
Typically, we would still have another full day of work to do to get to this point, and everything is that much lighter and easier to work with that we're not nearly as tired as we would be either.
I think the ICON system is going to be the game changer. It's going to make everything move a little faster. Everything's going to be straighter. Not only was it just the install, but the finish will now even go even faster.
Typically to frame this conventionally, we're probably 2.5, 3 days. With this program, with this product, we can easily do it in 5-6 hours. This is the only system I'll ever use. I won't build another deck any other way.
Combining the strength of steel, the flexibility of wood, and the innovation of FastenMaster. This is the ICON ScrewJoist deck substructure system. Visit FastenMaster.com to learn more.